We're about to take a trip.
You should not be judged, harmed, and hurt by the color of your skin. Black people were being treated less good. They were being treated less important than people who had brighter skin than them. I can't even believe that. So one of the things he believed was in something called non-violence. Say non-violence. What is non-violence? First, let's talk about what is violence. What does violence mean? Yes. People are mean and they hurt each other. That's violence, is hurting people. He was non-violent. He believed that love was more powerful than hate. He thought racism was not stronger than love. So put your arms up and show me that strength. He thought that love was power. Is love powerful? Yes. And so this is called the Black History Song for Kids. All right, first thing we're gonna do is march. Let's march, let's march, let's march. Let's march. Let's march, let's march, let's march. That's it. You all are looking so excellent. You're looking so brave. You're looking like you have a purpose, like we're here representing. And it goes like this. Black history is the story of you and me. Black history goes way back for centuries. Black history did not start with slavery. Black history 365, not just February. Now do you dance? 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 That's right. Do you dance? Oh, do you dance? Break dance? Do you dance? Do you dance? Do you dance? Our story begins in Africa, where the very first humans that lived are from. Along the Nile, big civilizations like Egypt and Kush and Nubia. We already know about the pyramids, built by blacks, not aliens. The African empires are glorious for their knowledge in science and medicine. Studied the stars, astronomy, made the calendar 4000 BC. Math, religion, philosophy. Europeans came to study, asked the Greeks so many pharaohs, kings, and dynasties. Even women were rulers, treated equally. Look around, cause we're all brothers and sisters, cause we all have an African ancestor. Make some noise for yourselves. Wonderful, wonderful job. Excellent. So I'm really excited. This is the part where we get to create our very own protest posters.
Oh, meet me at the family reunion. You know we're gonna dance to the music. Fire up the grill, barbecuing at the family reunion.
I want you to take your fist and raise your fist high up in the sky. This fist means many different things throughout history and now. It can mean black power. It can mean unity. It can mean standing together in solidarity with each other. When you see this fist, it means I got your back, you got mine. So lift your fist up and say, power to the people. Power to the people. Power to the people. Power to the people. Excellent. Everybody get your posters up high. What do we want? What do we want? When do we want it? When do we want it? Say, we want justice. We want justice. Hold your purses high up to the sky. I feel empowered right now. Wow, look at us all here together, believing in a better society, believing in a better world for equity and treatment of each other. Y'all give it up for yourselves. Clap it up for yourselves. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful job. Yes. I just want you to know that even though you're young, your voice is still powerful. You can stand up for what is right. You can stand up for what you believe in. Once again, I go by the name of Fuge. Let me hear y'all say, hello, Fuge. Hello. Say, hello, Fuge. Hello. And shimmy on down in the middle. Let me hear you say, oh, 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 oh. Let me hear you say, oh, 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 oh. Let me hear you say, oh, 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 oh. Let me hear you say, oh, 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 oh. All right, thank you so much. I love y'all. Peace and love. Happy Martin Luther King Day.
So you just witnessed one of my workshops here at Brooklyn Children's Museum, but I literally do them all over the country and hopefully all over the world. So if this is something that you like to see at your school, your library, your performing arts center, anywhere, hit me up through my website, fuge.com, or on social media. I love to create these experiences of educating, entertaining, and empowering the next generation. Peace out.
FYUTCH.
Hello, Fuge.